Huh. Huh. Well... If my gold meal doesn't die, this isn't the worst hand. I'll go for it. Just for kicks. No. And... Oh, I'm going first. If you Galvanic Blasts, that would be a problem. But, hey. So it goes. Alright, if I can get one more white, that would be great. Or even just another land. I mean, I could just play Invisimancer. Yeah. Red, oh no. I hope he doesn't have an Arc Trail. I'd rather play it out Strider Harness, I think. And swing for one. Like I said, you gotta be worried about turn Slag, but that won't be for some turns. Yep. Alright, I'm not swinging to that. Invisimancer, go unblockable. Oh. Equip, swing for 4. One more white would be nice. Chrome Steed, okay. Quarter Shield. I have a feeling that's going to be turn slagged, but alright, yeah, I'll drop down this Sky School. Razor Hippogriff. Huh. What could I toss? Skyguard probably? Or a Quarter Shield? I think I'd rather do a Quarter Shield. Because he has turn to slag, so. And at the rate where if I can get my second planes, I can bounce it back. I mean, get it back with my Razor Hippogriff, so. He's kind of lucky I didn't have another land to put that back on. Ooh. Ooh. Now, the thing that I learned from playing on casual is that he can target his own thing and cause 2 damage to me or a creature. I'm not blocking. There we go. Galvanic Blast is what I'm kind of expecting. Nope. Alright. I just realized I could have played Razor Hippogriff. Oh well. Dumb of me. Now what can I do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop some tokens. See, if I could do, I mean, I can. But at least these guys can defend. I can also swing back. All right. Assuming he doesn't kill my Straddle Harness, I think I got this game. But I'm feeling pretty confident. Attacking Elspeth, alright. I'm gonna, of course, defend. Might as well try to kill the replica, I think. Oh, turn to slag, alright. Okay, let's see. I'm going to swing here. Let's see if he blocks. Nope. Alright. Right. I'm going to Scrap Melter here. And then I'm going to gain some lives. I know he has live lash. Nitrogen sensor, right? Right. You can see it's alright. Well, he called it Protocol, so, I mean, value-wise, he got the better deal. But at least I'm on the second round. Alright. Yeah, jeez. Like, I should have been playing, could have played Razor Hippogriff, Equip Swing, with the Straddle Harness before he had a chance to turn the slag. I think that's my main deal, this game. But, you know, I could afford, I think at that one I could afford to play a little loose. I don't know. But I guess I gotta tighten up past the first round. Yeah, so that was the first round. See you all in the second round.